Tired of waiting for paper checks to clear? Wish you could get paid faster and streamline your finances with Vagaro? If you're running a salon, spa, fitness studio, or any other appointment-based business, you know how crucial efficient payment processing is. And let's be honest, direct deposit is the gold standard. It's fast, secure, and eliminates a ton of administrative headaches. But maybe you're new to Vagaro, or perhaps you've been using it for a while but haven't quite delved into the payroll features. You might be wondering, how exactly do I set up direct deposit on Vagaro so I can get my hard-earned money or pay my team quickly and effortlessly? Well, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk through every single step of setting up direct deposit on Vagaro. We'll cover everything from the initial payroll onboarding to adding your bank account details, understanding the forms you'll need, and even how to troubleshoot common issues. By the end of this video, you'll be a direct deposit pro, ready to embrace a more efficient financial workflow. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand why direct deposit is so beneficial. For businesses, it means less time spent on manual payroll, fewer errors, and improved cash flow management. For employees or contractors, it offers immediate access to funds, eliminates trips to the bank, and provides a clear digital record of earnings. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now, Vagaro offers a robust payroll feature that integrates seamlessly with its other management tools. However, it's important to note that Vagaro Payroll is a premium feature and is currently available only to businesses in the US. There's also an additional cost associated with it, typically around $34 per month, plus $5 per employee. So, if you're not in the US or haven't activated Vagaro Payroll yet, you'll need to consider those aspects first. If you're ready to proceed, let's jump into the setup process. The first crucial step is completing your payroll onboarding. This is where you provide all the necessary personal, tax, and bank account details. Your employer or the business owner will typically initiate this process by sending you an onboarding invitation. You'll want to check your email for an invitation from your employer. Sometimes, it might also appear in your Vagaro notification panel as a message to set up payroll. Once you receive it, simply click on Get Started. The onboarding process begins with the basic info screen. Here, you'll need to verify all your personal information. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. This includes your name, address, and contact details. After confirming, select Next. Next up is the tax information. If you're an employee, this is where you'll enter your federal tax heading details. You might even want to use the IRS calculator, also known as the tax withholding estimator, to help determine and set up your withholdings accurately. After you've entered your federal tax information, select Next. Then you'll move on to the state tax heading. The specific details here will vary depending on your state, so follow the prompts carefully and provide all the required tax filing and withholding information for your state. Once done, select Next. Now we arrive at the payment details screen. This is the core of setting up direct deposit. Here, you'll choose how you want to receive your funds. Select the direct deposit option. If you've previously linked a bank account to Vagaro for other purposes, you might see it listed here. You can select an already listed bank account if it's the one you want to use for direct deposit. However, if you need to add a new bank account, select Add Bank Account. Vagaro offers two primary methods for adding your bank account information: connecting through Plaid or manually entering your bank details. Connecting through Plaid is generally the recommended method. Plaid is a secure service that allows you to link your bank account by logging in directly through your bank's online portal. This method is usually faster and helps to reduce errors in entering your account information. If you choose this option, you'll select Login to Bank with Plaid, agree to their terms, then search for and select your bank. You'll then enter your online banking credentials. Vagaro doesn't store these credentials. Plaid simply acts as a secure bridge to verify your account. Alternatively, you can choose to manually enter your bank details. If you go this route, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. Be extremely careful when entering these numbers, as even a single-digit error can cause delays or issues with your deposits. After manually entering the details, Vagaro Payroll will often initiate two small transactions, usually a few cents, to your account, and then debit them back within 3 days. You'll need to check your bank account regularly for these transactions, and then return to Vagaro to enter the exact amounts to verify your bank account. This verification step is crucial and must be completed before you can receive direct deposits. Until those transactions have occurred and you've verified them, you can always select Cancel and return to the screen later through the notification panel to verify your account. Once your bank account is linked, you have an optional but very useful feature: splitting your payments into multiple accounts. This is fantastic if you want to automatically allocate a portion of your paycheck to a savings account, an investment account, or another checking account. To do this, select Add New Bank Account and add the details for the second account. You can repeat this step to add any other bank accounts you wish to split your paycheck into. Then, at the bottom of the screen, select Split Paycheck. You can choose to split your payments by %, or by amount $. Enter how much of each paycheck should go into each account, and then select Save. This provides incredible flexibility in managing your income. After setting up your payment details, the next critical step is to review and sign your onboarding forms. These forms are essential for legal and tax compliance. If you're onboarding as an employee, you'll typically need to complete your Form W-4 and an Employee Direct Deposit Authorization form. If you're onboarding as a contractor, you'll usually download and complete a Form W-9. Read these forms carefully to ensure all information is correct and you understand the terms. Then you'll electronically sign them. Once completed, select Next. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.